Hi everyone, welcome to the weekly review of my Robinhood brokerage account. Balance on the account is $1,904.14. I thought today I could take you behind the scenes and do an invest with me perspective just so that you get a better understanding in terms of my thought process when I'm investing in this account in particular. This account, as a reminder, is my fun money. It's my YOLO money. It's my I want to get rich quick money. So this account is more so to help make investing a bit more exciting. I'm not necessarily looking at it as a retirement account. So I'm completely fine with losing every single penny in this portfolio because again, it's more for risky investing. So all I'm doing here is individual stock investing and crypto investing. All right, let's just go ahead and just take a peek at the overall returns on this portfolio. So the 1 week down 8.50% or $176.81. Let's look at the year to date. Year to date is down 12.13% or $262.82. And then overall, it's down 8.24% or $171 and I guess $170.97 now. So it's definitely not been performing well, but that's the big risk with individual stock investing, especially if you're someone like me that's a newbie, has no idea what they're doing, and is just kind of throwing money in randomly. All right, so before we go into the investing, let's just look at some of the holdings that I have. So here's my crypto holdings. I have 4, which is XRP, Bitcoin, Shiba, and Ethereum. XRP, it's been doing fairly okay. Right now I'm up 27.62% or $86.65. That's the one that's trending the best right now. Shiba has not even hit positive ever since I've had it. It's down 31.43%. You see here my total return. So I'll hang on to it for the entire year of 2025 just to see how it goes. But essentially XRP is the only one that's given any sort of real return back so far. And then here are some of the stocks that I've invested in. Everything has really been in the red in terms of overall return. So even Astria Labs, you see here, overall return, I'm down 20.42%. The quantum stocks have just been wrecking my portfolio. The quantum computing down 48.94%. And then this one, D-Wave Quantum, down 30.63%. I think I might end up dumping these maybe next week. Essentially just selling them at a loss and just putting the money elsewhere because I don't know if they're ever going to bounce back. But Sound AI, it's down, but not that severely. I think it will bounce back. And then Serve Robotics is up 17.45%. But this is really my only position that's up, that in the XRP crypto. So individual stocks that I have not been doing well. But I want to invest in a new stock. So you see right here, I have $10.38 in buying power. So because this portfolio, again, is my YOLO, let's get rich quick scheme portfolio, I don't put a lot of money into it, right? Because I'm keeping my eyes on the prize, which is to invest in stable, trusted ETFs for the long term. So if you're interested more in that type of investing, you should check out my M1 Finance dividend portfolio videos that I post. That portfolio is more where you'll see like larger deposits, and it's all ETF investing, such as like the S&P 500, SCHD, QQQM, etc. But if you're a little bit into individual stock investing, or you're just curious to see what other people are doing, then stick around. All right, so I have in Robinhood, you can create what is called like a watch list. So I have a couple stocks on the watch list. If you're wondering, how did you get these stocks name? Well, someone left a list of like these stock names to like look into and invest, and I was like, oh, okay, they look all right. So do not take what I am doing as an example of how to do individual stock investing, because I didn't do my own research on these companies. I've heard a couple of them before, like Palantir Technologies I've heard of before, SoFi I've heard of before, but I think the rest of them I haven't. So I'm just kind of trusting a stranger's recommendation. And again, because it's fun money, it's YOLO, I don't care. I'll just put the money in. But if you're actually going to do individual stock investing in a serious way, like definitely do your due diligence, because you can lose a lot of money. And as you saw from, what I showed you earlier, I mean, my portfolio is in the negatives, right? So I am not doing great at this, so don't take me as some sort of example. All right, so with that, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stocks on this invest in stock list. So Palantir Technologies, I'm trying to decide like which one I should put that $10 that I have available for investing in. I'm just looking at the year to date. It's up 8.37%. And let's see, 23 analysts say 13% to buy, 61% hold. All right, let's keep going. The next is Robinhood Markets. Year to date, it's up 32%. That's not too shabby. Anything else? Analysts are saying 72% buy. All right, I might actually buy that one, but let's keep going. SoFi, year to date, up 4.07%. 30% buy. Okay. And then Hims and Hers Health, it is up 49.80%. Wow, year to date. That's really great. 50% buy from 16 analysts. And then Rocket Lab, year to date is up 14.04%. And there's a 57% buy. So again, I'm not looking at, the PE ratio or, average volume, right? I'm not looking at any of that. I'm just kind of looking at year to date and seeing how I feel about it, just emotionally, literally. So I think I might, let's see, should I do the Rocket Lab or should I do the Hims and Hers? Let's see what the 1 year on it. Wow, that's really impressive. And then the 5 years, 200. Wow, that's really great. But of course, I'm getting in, high in terms of the cost. So I think let's go ahead and just get into Hims and Hers Health. Let's go ahead. It's trade. Let's buy. And then we're just going to buy in dollars. So let's just put $10 in. We're going to review. And then I'm going to swipe up and done. And then what happens is that it gets, I thought it did get added. Let me switch over to another screen and come back and see if it does get added. I thought normally it gets added to your list. Okay, I am right. It does get added to the stock list once you actually buy it. Now, the market is closed because today's a Saturday, but as you see here, my order is going to trade on Monday at 9:30 a.m. and it's going to be $10 going into Hims and Hers Health. So, new addition to the family. So, let's see how that one goes. And then what I do then is just go here and actually I think I can just swipe and delete it, right? Take it off the watch list so that the stuff that's on the watch list is actual stuff that I haven't bought yet. So happy to have made a new investment. Let's see how it performs. Again, I might go ahead and just kind of sell out of the quantum stocks, but more to come there. Well, thanks for joining me for this, invest with me video. Let me know if any of these companies you are invested in, how you're doing, any other stocks that's really doing well that you highly recommend. Again, I'm an open book because this is just fun, play money. But yeah, this is where I am right now. And I will catch you next week. Bye.